Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to DJI Tech. So I finally got my hands on the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More Combo. And today, in this video, we're going to unbox it. So just a quick info. This thing comes with a protective plastic packaging, but since I had to actually open it at the store just to make sure that everything is in here, well, it's really not the first unboxing. It was already unboxed at the store. I'm just gonna show you how it looks like when it's brand new. So this is the packaging that has to be removed while opening it at the store. And here's the contents of the DJI Mavic Mini. So you get a case with this package, with this combo. I don't know what to call it. And in this case, this carrying case contains the actual drone, and it's very, very light. It's only 249 grams. The controller, let's open it up. I don't know what this is called, but this is supposed to be where you charge your batteries. It has 3 slots, and I heard this also acts as a power bank. Very cool. Now we have 2 more boxes. This one contains the extra propellers. I'm gonna open one and really hope I wouldn't need these things. So there are the screws. This is the actual propeller. Let's open it up. Here are the propellers. There should be 4 of them. 8 actually. There should be 8 of them. Let's put it back in. And then you have this, what's this? Cables for your controller. You have a USB type B. And another USB type B. And you have a, what's with the difficult to open packaging? I think this is the connector that you will use with your controller so that you could connect it to your phone. They should have a type C here because I don't have a... Oh, there you go. This one connects to the controller. Actually, is it focused? And the other side connects to your phone. This is a type C. It has one for Apple. Is this called Lightning? I think it's Lightning. I don't remember. I used to have an Apple phone, but that was years ago. And you have a mini USB, micro USB, mini, micro. And there's still some more in the box. You have the joysticks. I think there's supposed to be something else to call these things, but let's just call them joysticks for the video, which is supposed to go here. Alright, let's move on to the next small box. Oh, there's another thing I forgot to open up. I think this is a screwdriver. Yeah, it comes with a screwdriver so that you don't have to bring another one when you're at the field and you broke one of the propellers, because the propellers need a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver to, replace them. So this package comes with one. No need to buy another one just for this thing. So let's move on to the other contents of the box. You have the all-important silica gel, and What's this? The manual? I think this is the manual. Has cards in it. Yeah, it's the manual. We're gonna read that later. Then you have the charger. I think this is the charger. Yep, it's the charger. It looks like a Samsung charger. Okay, what's so special about this charger? Let's see the output. Output is 5 volts 3 amperes, 9 volts 2 amperes, 12 volts 1.5 amperes. So normally a 5 volt charger would output around 2. Usually they output around 2, so this one is a bit higher in performance and it can output 12 volts. So you can't really just use any charger with this thing. Maybe you can, I don't know, I still have to research that. But just to be sure, always use this charger with your Mavic Mini. Next are the batteries. It's heavy and you get 3 batteries. 1, 2, and 3. And these batteries correspond to the 3 slots in this thing. I don't know what this is called. Okay, it's supposed to go in like this. Then plug it in and charge it. And the last item in the box is the propeller guard, which is a bit big. Now, the thing about the propeller guard is it doesn't fit into the carrying case of the Mavic Mini, so you have to carry this separately. You have to be careful about it because it feels fragile because it's light. It should be light. Hopefully it's not. Has anyone broken this thing before by crashing the drone? I don't know. Yeah. You won't be bringing this in the carrying case because it just doesn't fit. And that's all, folks. That's what you're gonna get when you buy a DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo. Thank you for watching. Hit like if you like this video, dislike and dislike it. We are going to try to fly this and hopefully be able to film it and get some performance tests.